Fix 100% disk uses Windows 11 and Windows 10. In this video, we will look at the ways to fix 100% disk uses for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without any delay, let's get started. Now firstly, we will disable few services. For that, on Run menu, type service.mse. When we click on OK, a page appears in front of us. Click on any one item and type sysmin. Right-click on it and go to its properties. In its property, we need to change its startup type to disable. Now after disabling it, when we turn on our computer, it does not set up extra memory for the application we don't use. After applying the disable startup type, again right-click on it and click on stop. Now next, we will go to our local disk and right-click on it and go to its property too. There you will see Tools menu, click on it and click on Check option. Now when you click on Scan Drive, it actually scans for bad sector on hard drive. After that, you need to change the setting of Optimize Drive. If the schedule optimization is on, you need to turn it off. Last but not the least, now you need to disable few applications which you don't use. For that, go to Task Manager and on Startup App, click on the application which you want to disable. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can fix 100% disk uses of Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.